Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change number on your Facebook account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to change a number on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening your Facebook app, you can see the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three-lined icon like this, and again on the top right corner of the screen you can see the gear icon or the settings icon just beside the magnifying glass icon. Tap on settings like this, and after that you can see the personal and account information available on the account category, which is the first one. Tap on personal and account information, and again on the personal and account information category you can see the contact info option available over here, which is the second one. Tap on contact info. Now to add your phone number or change your phone number, you can see one of my phone number is already over here, which is pending. So to add or change your number, you can see the add phone number option available over here at the bottom of the options. Tap on add phone number, and again hit over there on the mobile phone number empty box and type your number like this, and tap on continue again. And after that Facebook will send you a verification code on your mobile. And I have received the code. Let's enter the confirmation code. And hit on confirm. Let's hit on confirm, and you can see your phone number has been added to your account. Now Facebook will text your notifications to you to change this. Update your phone number to visit settings. And there guys, we have successfully changed our number on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.